Hello everyone, welcome to I Am AI. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of PC building. Whether you're a first-time builder or just looking to upgrade your skills, this guide will walk you through the entire process of building your own computer from scratch. Before we start assembling, let's get familiar with the key components you'll need for your build. CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of your PC. It processes all the instructions from your software. Motherboard, this is the main circuit board that connects all your components. It's crucial to choose one that's compatible with your CPU and other parts. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM stores data temporarily, making it easier for your CPU to access information quickly. Storage, SSD, HDD. SSDs are faster, while HDDs offer more storage at a lower cost. You can use either or both depending on your needs. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. If you're into gaming or video editing, a dedicated GPU is a must, otherwise you might rely on integrated graphics. PSU, Power Supply Unit. The PSU powers all your components. Make sure it provides enough wattage for your build. Case. The case houses all your components. It also influences cooling and aesthetics. Cooling. This could be air coolers or liquid cooling systems to keep your CPU from overheating. Now that you know your components, let's prepare the workspace. Make sure you have a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging sensitive components. Gather your tools. A Phillips head screwdriver is essential. Have a static wristband handy or ground yourself by touching a metal object. Lay out all your components and tools before you begin. Now let's start building. Carefully open the CPU socket, align the CPU, and gently place it into the socket. Lock it in place. Locate the RAM slots on the motherboard. Align the RAM stick and press down until it clicks into place. Place the motherboard inside the case, aligning it with the standoffs. Secure it with screws. Attach the SSD or HDD to the appropriate slot or bay in the case and connect it to the motherboard. Insert the GPU into the appropriate PCIe slot on the motherboard and secure it with screws. Place the PSU in its designated area in the case. Connect the main power cables to the motherboard, GPU, and storage devices. Use cable ties or Velcro straps to keep cables organized and out of the way, ensuring good airflow. Install your cooling system according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring it's properly seated on the CPU. Almost there. Before closing up the case, let's do some final checks. Double-check all connections, power, data, and fan cables. Ensure the CPU cooler is firmly attached. Verify that the RAM and GPU are securely seated. Now, moment of truth, time to boot up. Plug in your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Power on your PC and enter the BIOS to check that all components are recognized. If everything looks good, install your operating system and you're ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully built your own PC. Whether you're using it for gaming, work, or just everyday tasks, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of knowing you put it together yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy building.